G'day legends, welcome to another episode of Aussie Indah Adventures. Today we're trying to do 2 waterfalls and the Great Ocean Road in one day. So we've headed out from Geelong and we're going to our first waterfall now, so come along and enjoy the video and yeah.
Hai guys, selamat datang kembali ke channel YouTube kami Aussie Indah Adventure. Jadi hari ini kami akan pergi ke 2 air terjun sekaligus. Kita akan coba, kalau ada waktu, kita akan singgah lagi ke Bowen Heads. Oke, keep stay tune ya.
So here we are guys, the Sheoak Waterfalls. Lovely. It's only about 15-minute walk from the car park. Well worth the walk.
So ya guys, kita udah di belakang, kita udah di air terjun. Jadi jalan kaki ke sini itu dari parkiran mobil ke sini itu cuma 15 menit. Kita stop di sini buat makan siang. Nggak makan siang sih, tapi karena udah telat, jadi kita makan di sini di depan pemandangan yang bagus. Sheoak.
Yeah. So this is where we've stopped to have lunch before we get to Erskine Falls, and yeah, $1 million views. And even better yet, they're free. Okay guys, so we've arrived at Erskine Falls now. We're just in the car park and we're going to start making our way down the trail to the waterfalls.
Ya guys, kita sekarang udah ada di air terjun yang kedua. Jadi kita mau turun kasih lihat kalian. Jadi di sini itu guys, wisata, tempat wisata ya kayak air terjun itu semua free dan itu gratis untuk semua pengunjung, nggak dipungut biaya apapun.
Yes, and this is all free, people. Free.
It's not too far either.
There we go.
Upper Falls.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll go like this.
So this is the upper viewing platform,
Oh, that's what it's
which is only 80 metres from the car park, so that's nice and close to see the waterfall like that. But if you want to go down to the bottom, down there, it's only another 200 metres, so we're going to head down there now. Some more stairs. So 200 metres of stairs. Going down's easy. Coming up, we'll see. So this is the viewing platform for Erskine Falls, but looks like you can do some off-roading if you want and get a little bit closer. So these people are walking there and get a bit closer. I think we might give that a crack. So I'll just take you through the little off-road part to get a bit closer to the waterfall. Oh, it's slippery. Yeah, it's alright, mate. I used to do this with a full backpack and a rifle as well, you know. Let's go, mate.
Yeah, good, thank you.
Well, there you go. It's pretty slippery walking in, but if you take your time, nice and easy, you'll get in here no worries. Just don't worry, be sure-footed, you'll be right. Then you get the better view, unobstructed. There you have it. Erskine Falls waterfall. Beautiful. Gigantic.